What's up guys, Bearded Jeeper here, and today we're getting some work done on my 99 Jeep Cherokee Project ZipTie. So I installed the frame stiffeners in the back of ZipTie finally. I didn't film a whole lot, going through my mind. YouTube shut down my account, so you may or may not see this video depending on if we get it fixed. But basically, long story short, someone hacked my account. They started streaming some live stream of some video that YouTube didn't like, and they closed my account. So as of right now, when I'm filming this, they agree my account was hacked. They looked it up. So the next step is to try to get my YouTube channel back online. We got my Google account squared away, changed password, 2 types of authentication and everything, but it's been kind of making me not want to film a whole lot, kind of discouraging me, but I'm gonna film anyway just in case. Hopefully, even if I have to start from the beginning again, we're gonna build this YouTube channel back up to where it was, where it is. I don't know, we'll find out. Today's agenda is these relocation brackets for the leaf springs. I gotta get them off here. It's 1 bolt, and then it's actually welded on. He welded it onto the part of the cage here, so I gotta take an angle grinder with a cutoff wheel and cut that off, and then we'll install the leaf springs in the back of the Jeep. So then I can finally start mocking up the rear axle, getting the leaf spring perches down where they need to be, and start making some real progress on ZipTie. Geez, that's a long bolt. Alright, that's why it's not coming off. That was wrong. There's like 1, 2, 3, 4 more bolts, and this whole seam's welded. Well, amazingly enough, I was able to get every single one of these bolts out without cutting them. A lot of mud and dirt in here. I cut a little access panel so I could get a wrench in there. Able to put it right on, even the far back one, and get it out. So now, just have to continue to cut these welds here, and in theory, it should pop right down. With like an hour of grinding here, I think we got it almost freed up. Alright, after a lot of cutting and grinding, we got both brackets off, so time to clean them up. They're not in too bad a shape, but they got a little dirt and grime and welding slag and all sorts of other stuff on them. We're gonna get these cleaned up underneath ZipTie. All right, so awesome news. Yesterday, I was able to get my YouTube channel back. YouTube was able to reinstate it and get it back up and going. So we are back live. You'll be seeing this video soon. It'll be kind of weird because part of it saying my YouTube got shut off and then we're back. But nonetheless, we're gonna start making some more Jeep content. The other day, I was able to get these brackets all cleaned up. These relocation brackets for the leaf springs. They're all cleaned up, painted, dry. So now I'm gonna try to go ahead and put them in, at least get them loosely bolted up and try to bolt in the leaf springs. So this weekend, hopefully I should be able to finally start getting the leaves, or get the rear axle underneath the Jeep. I really can't wait. It's been a long time coming. Actually have the rear starting to sit on its own weight. That would be awesome. It would kind of kick me into gear and really get me going and working more on this Jeep and hopefully get it done this year so we can wheel. First, we got to take these bolts here and clean them up a little bit. They're a little crusty and rusty and they've seen better days. Got these ones. I'm hoping I could take these and fish them through the frame. I'm not really sure, but that's how they were set up without any nut strips. So I'm hoping I can get the wrench in there, start all the way back and move all the way to the front. See if we can get these in there and installed. Wow, just look at that. That's super cleaned up compared to what it was. I mean, that thing did a great job. Got this new twisted wire brush attachment for the cutoff wheel, and this thing seems to work really awesome. I mean, that only took a few seconds and cleaned it up. I held it in my vise and made sure to wear my super safety gear. Got my full face shield on. That cleaned right up. Small boat. Small boat. Small boat. Small boat. Small boat. Bolt. Much more better. Really need a new bottle of this stuff. Okay guys, I think I'm gonna end this video here. I'm not exactly 100% sure what I have filmed, but it's Sunday, so I want to get this edited and posted up. I wasn't able to post a video last week because my account got hacked and shut down, so I'm not sure what this whole video has in it. A hodgepodge of kind of projects that I've been going through with ZipTie, but hopefully it's been entertaining at least. We got the rear leaf spring shackle relocation brackets installed, and it was a little bit tricky actually lining those up because I couldn't get the normal bolt to go through. I got the other bolts in, and I guess I'm just gonna leave it like that for now. Eventually I'm gonna weld it, so it's gonna be plenty strong enough to hold the leaves. And eventually I want to go 4-link and coilovers in the rear as well, but this is just to get it set up. I want to get it out and actually wheeling on the trails this year, so this is what I'm doing right now. I guess the next step is to see if I'm going to I'm kind of conflicted if I want to flip the leaf springs 180 to give myself a little stretch. I've heard that can affect ride quality a little, but this is going to be a trail buggy. It's not going to be seen on the streets. I'm still new to this, so a lot of this is kind of trial and error, so I'd like to hear the pros and cons. If you guys have any input, drop it down in the comments below. I'd love to hear the feedback and help me make a decision whether or not I want to flip these or not. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, and as always guys, stay bearded, stay Jeepin'. I'm out.